welcome back to this week's training. We're going to talk about 2 Facebook hacks to help you to save time on Facebook to become more engaged with your customers and to help your algorithm out. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Our first hack is a simple text replacement. You can do this both on the iPhone applications as well as Google applications. I'll have the instructions in the description for you to see it. But simply you're going to go to your little icon there that's going to get you into the settings. You're going to go to General. Just simply click on General, and then from General you're going to scroll down until you see the word Keyboard. You're going to click on Keyboard, and then that's going to send you to a text replacement. You're going to click on Text Replacement and simply hit the little plus sign in the top corner. This little plus sign is going to allow you to type whatever you want in the phrase section and then include a shortcut. So if you find yourself saying the same things over and over again, you can create a shortcut and simply use a little shortcut key. So for example, when I have a new customer that gets a product and I want to tell them congratulations, you got this product, then I type that whole thing out. Congratulations, exclamation point. You can put a smiley face. This item is now yours, exclamation point, girl doing a dance or a little star, however you want to do. And then your shortcut phrase can be YGI, you got it, or you got this. You could do YGT. And just a simple little shortcut. So when you type it in, what it's going to do is bring up the whole phrase that you typed. And it can be a very long phrase if you like. And so when you go to type it into a customer, you're simply going to type in the key. So for me, it's UGI. You're going to click the center part and it's going to put in exactly what you had pre-typed. This also helps you to be able to have more engagement on Facebook because you're talking more to your customers. So what I suggest is have several of these, not just one, because if you use the same one over and over, Facebook will think you're spamming. So make sure that you do come up with several different versions. And your little shortcut key could be, you got it. So you could do YGI with a 1, and that's the first one, YGI2, and that's the second version of what you typed. So do several different ones, or you can type different ones and come up with different keys. That's going to help you to stay engaged with your customers, save you lots of time. If you tend to answer the same questions over and over from team members or customers, pre-do those and have those little shortcut keys so it's as simple as entering the little key and pressing the button, and then you're done. So that's your first little Facebook hack time saver. Hopefully that's going to be a helpful one. Stay tuned, we've got another one coming. Our next time-saving tip is going to simply come by using the microphone that's already available on your platform, on your phone. If you're using your phone, I believe tablets will have this as well. But simply, if you look in when your keyboard comes up and you're trying to respond to a customer, you're going to see the little cursor box blinking. And if you look on your keyboard, there is a little microphone right there. Simply click on the microphone, and anything you say is now going to be typed into the box as you are saying it, period. And so as you type it, and when you're finished typing, all you got to say is period, exclamation point. It'll put the punctuation. Then you can simply hit the send button. Now this tip is very helpful because whenever you are responding to a lot of people maybe requesting, let's say I'm selling these earrings and I've got 10 people wanting it, I really do want to have that conversational type interaction with them. It helps my algorithm. And remember, if you're selling on social media, you need to be social. That's part of the social part. So the more we can be social, the more that we can have conversations, the better. So this is a great way that I can literally speak into my microphone, talking directly to that girl. It's typed for me. It's very quick. I could say, congratulations, Sarah, exclamation point. You got this beautiful multi-metal earring, period. You are going to look so beautiful in this piece, exclamation point, smiley face. Hit the send button. So it becomes very conversational, but it's quick and easy and fast. And that's what we want. We want high results. We want with the most time-saving tips that we can use. So hopefully these 2 tips are going to be helpful for you. Be sure to like and follow our page, or subscribe if you're watching us from YouTube. Share it to your team so that they can benefit from these time-saving tips. And I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And one thing to always remember, girls, it works if you work it and you're worth it. Boom. It works if you work it, and guess what? You're worth it. God bless you. We'll see you back here for next week's next tips, tricks, and trainings. So super excited to be able to help you out. Have a great rest of your day.